Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about this cryptocurrency wallet platform, which is 1inch Wallet. So to get started with a quick analysis and breakdown, 1inch Wallet is a DeFi-focused non-custodian wallet designed for users who actively swap token and interact with decentralized app. It supports multiple blockchains like Ethereum, BNB Chain, and Polygon, and offers secure token swap, staking, and hardware wallet integration, all with strong encryption and scam protection features. However, recent vulnerabilities and user complaints raised caution in early 2025. A $5 billion exploit affected some users, though most funds were recovered. Others have reported issues with failed swap and scam impersonation. While 1inch Wallet is powerful and feature-rich, it's best for experienced users who know how to navigate the risk of DeFi in 2025. And that is. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this cryptocurrency platform, which is 1inch. And that's it.